Hello everyone, and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about something that will be setting the tone for our 2025, which is creating the vision board. Let's take an inscription from the Bible that says, write the vision down, make it plain on the tablet, that he may run with it, whoever that says it. So this reminds us of the power of clarity and intentionality when it comes to achieving our goals and our dreams for 2025. We know at the beginning of every new year, we always have like a new year resolution. We have goals, we write down our plans, or maybe it could be goals we set this year or in the previous year and we wish to move it on to the next year. Well, we have different goals like getting into school, learning a new skill, like personal goals of we have personal goals of maybe you have a difficult skin, you want to get a good skin, you have a health goal, being intentional about taking care of your health. You have financial goals, you want to increase your income. We have your businesses, you want to start up a new business, or maybe you want to still that same business, you want to increase your sales, you want to get new customers, you want to rebrand, start afresh, like transitioning into a different as another market or another field of that your business. It all the goes varies depending on individual. So here we are going to be discussing about making or creating intentional steps on how to achieve the specific goals you've set for yourself. For instance, we have like financial goals. What kind of money, how much do you want to be, how much you want to achieve for each month? You can divide it. Okay, I want to get this total amount of money by the end of first quarter, second quarter, or third quarter. It all depends on you. How much do I want to get? Is it by sticking to your strict budget, or you're going to increase your income, increase your learn a new skill that will help to increase your income? Do you want to reduce your spending? It all depends on you. Then we have like our um, personal goals. We have, you want to heal from your traumas, you want to um, heal from whatever thing you want to control, learn how to control your emotions. It doesn't have to be grand, it can be some inner work you really want to do to on yourself. Then we have like a business goal. You do want to start up a new business, you've been aiming at this business. What do you want to do? What are the steps? Have you registered the business? Have you made the research on that type of business? Do you know where you can get your resources from? Or if it's like a service business or a product, do you know where you can source your raw materials from? Have you done your market research? Have you done all those things? Have you taken steps to do all those things that will bring you closer to that your specific goal? When it comes down to let's say like an influencer, being like, for instance, now one of my goal is to increase my subscribers. Like, what are those steps I have put in place that will help me improve or increase my subscribers here on YouTube? Like, I've seen you have to be consistent. I have to either create a system that will um enable me to create videos. Like, I have to get, first of all, get topics, good topics, that have a list of topics that I'm working on, have a day when I'll shoot my videos, have a day when I'll edit my videos, and have a day when I'll post those videos. So these are the steps I have broken down to be able to get to that's my specific goals that I want to get. Relationship goals. Do you want to improve your relationship with other people? Do you want to make new friends? You know where you can go to you can join a community of people that have like-minded goals like you. that also striving to become a better version of who they are. You can join a community. There are so many places where you can join them. Do you want to increase your spiritual life? You have a spiritual goals. Do you want to have a deeper relationship with God? Do you want to have like a Bible study community? There are so many of them online on Instagram. You can meet them, join your church service unit to meet people. You can have a daily devotional, have a quiet time, have a time when you have a quiet time with God. So it all depends on you. What exactly is your vision? What exactly is those goals that you want to? Even some people's goal can be, okay, I want to get a new apartment. So that new apartment, do you know how much it costs? In what location are you looking out for? All those things are steps that are being broken down into. All those things are all goals that are being broken down into smaller actionable steps to be able to achieve that your bigger goals. And disclaimer, it's not necessarily that you have to achieve them this year, or maybe you have to achieve it now. It takes time, it takes process. Maybe you're finding it, you can be battling with procrastination, you can be battling with maybe life challenges can come around and distract you one at all. You can be battling with self-doubt, you can be battling with fear of the unknown. So all those things too can actually delay you from achieving those goals that you want to achieve. So I'll be showing you how to create a vision board using the Canva app. So let's get right into that. Okay, so right now I'll be taking you through the Canva app, how you can create your vision board from scratch, and also where you can get pictures for your vision board. Okay, so this is something I created previously, but let's see here. This is from starting from scratch. Okay, so here, this is a normal Canva app. If you don't have a Canva app, you can go online, search for Canva, then log in and get sets. So to get your pictures from, I'll be using the pictures I have here already, but if you really want to get pictures from for your vision board, you can go down to Pinterest. Still, if you don't have an account, log in and you can get access to different app. You can get access to the Pinterest. So here, once you log in, you can search for the visual picture of that your grand goals you want or you want to achieve. For instance, now you said you want to get an apartment. What are the kind of apartments, or generally let's just say you want to get an apartment, or you want to decorate your own regular room. How do you want to decorate it? You can get for apartment decoration inspiration, how you want your apartment to look like. Okay, you can get inspiration for that from here. So let's take this for instance. Wait, hold on. Let me just use bedroom because I'm more used to this. Bedroom decoration inspiration. So it all depends on how you want your bed or your bedroom to look like. If you're the girly type that love your decorations, small and cute bedroom decorations, you can go here, pick up a style, you can download it, click on the three dotted icon and download. Same thing goes to let's see, maybe you want to buy a laptop. That is downloading of laptop. um you want to have a healthy habit, healthy living or healthy lifestyle rather. This whole picture will give you a glimpse of the exact things you want to achieve. Depends on you. So let's go back here. We're going to go down to upload your pictures, go to your files. Just select the pictures that you've downloaded, go down to up. So yeah, this is one of it. So you place it right here, go down to your you want to learn improving your communication skills, okay, or skincare rather. You can set this vision board to what exactly are your goals. These are just like a sample of like a business. You want to get a new job. All depends on you. You want to travel, spend more time with your friends. Do you want to be in a relationship? Bible study. All depends on you. You can also have a word that can help to inspire you more or motivate you. For instance, you may need words like resilience, regardless of whatever life throws at you. Resilience quotes. Okay, let's use this one. I am resilient. It can have consistency quotes. But it can have abundance. When it comes to money, money. Gonna live in abundance. Okay, so let's go back to uploading the pictures or the quotes. Then you open it. This is living in abundance. I think I have. Okay. Trying to look for one other pictures to fill up this. It's just I'm trying to fill up the picture or this. So now we are done with our vision board for 2025. We created it to be intentional, for us to be intentional, to be able to achieve. Remember, breaking them down into smaller steps. You mustn't necessarily have to you mustn't necessarily have to wait to the end of 2025 to achieve all this. You can set it, okay, the time frame before the end of first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, all depends on you. You can say, okay, January to February, I should be able to be consistent with my skincare stash, get a good skin for myself. Then, so once you're done, you can download it. And make it to be your wallpaper, or you can print it out and drop it somewhere that is visible, or print out and pin it to your wall anywhere that it can be visible to you, to always serve as a reminder of where you're going to or what exactly you want out of 2025. Then also remember, thank you for joining me. Remember, Proverb 29 verse 18 says that reminds us of the power of vision. Stay focused, stay grounded, be intentional. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to hear this. Until next time, stay blessed and stay inspired. See you guys next time. Bye.